Hi everyone, I'm back with another tutorial video. In today's guide video, I will be showing you how you can log in into your online banking account of California Bank and Trust. Before you're trying to log in into your online banking account, make sure that you already have an account. Only then you'll be able to log in into your account. Also make sure to check your internet connection and watch the video till the end. In order to log in into your online banking account, first of all head towards your web browser. You can use any web browser that is convenient for you. As for this video, I will be using Google. As you open up your web browser, right on top there is a search box. So then type in the link, that is www.calbanktrust.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. Once you type in the link on the other page, you will land inside the profile page or the official site. Out here the interface looks something like this. On this following page, in the top right corner, you can see an option called sign in. Tap on it. As you tap on sign in the other page, you will land inside the login page. So then on the same page in the left hand side corner, you can see there is a dialog box or the login page. So then right on top, you can see there are three different options, that is personal, business and treasury. So these following options are the account type. So then select the following option according to your account type. So once you tap on account type, the interface will remain the same. All you have to do is you'll have to provide your username and your password in order to log in. So what you have to do is make sure to enter your correct username. And after you're done entering your username, tap on password. Make sure to enter the correct password that is associated with your California Bank and Trust account. Once you're done entering your login detail, tap on sign in the bottom left corner. As soon as you tap on sign in on the other page, you will successfully land inside your California Bank and Trust account. So that is how you can log in into your online banking account of California Bank and Trust account on your device. That is all for this video. In case if the video was helpful, then make sure to like, share, subscribe and also hit the bell icon so that you never miss an update. Thank you for watching.